Want to turn your passion for drawing into a full-time career? Discover our courses at Brushcamp where you become a master in the realm of digital painting. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities.
We will come to the 2-point perspective. I briefly talked about the 1-point perspective. And we'll move to 2-point perspective. I open up 2-point perspective examples. A 2-point perspective is a perspective where the two vanishing points are on the horizon. Two sides like this, you can see it here. But if you connect it, you will have the convergence point on both sides. By the easy way, you guys put it back here. I will use a different color to make it easier to see. You connect them. We have a point on this side. I don't like drawing this key, but it can be cut anywhere. Along with this horizon, you draw the horizon after you had clearly defined the goal. It will be somewhere. The more accurate you guys are, the better you will determine this point. This is the principle of the 2-point perspective. We will have the focal point in one image. These 2 points are knit together, forms 2 lateral planes, and it has its own depth. There are many paintings applied with this 2-point perspective. And the line that determines the height of the object is still a parallel line. You see it's still aligned like this. And the depth is determined by 2 converging points on both sides. This combination is used to draw buildings, landscapes. Even rooms can still be drawn. You can still identify 2 points. You have to analyze enough, then you will understand that when 2 points are used to. What is the advantage of 2 points? You connect them. You guys keep looking for 2 sides like this. You just put it back together. If it points towards a point, it is a point. On this side we find the right side. We connect it like this. We will find the second point. Your homework in this 2-point perspective, that you will find the pictures. There are 2-point perspective in art, and you find yourself those 2 points. You will mark in the picture. And what are those 2 points? Must look for 2 points images. Find then bookmark. Some pictures will have a focus very far away. Don't think capacitors are always in the picture. It may fall out of the picture, no problem. As long as it's on the same horizon. This picture is so easy. You find 5 pictures. 5 pictures. About 2-point perspective. Maybe I will create another 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗀 file for the exercise, so you guys don't look messy like this. You guys pay attention, every 2 points on both sides. And the heights are straight lines. Parallel. With the outer edge of the picture. Then it's all 2-point perspective. It's almost like that. The perspective of these 2-point has been reduced to the 3-point. This is the part we are about to move on. It is simplified and made easier for us to handle.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.